Hey bro, welcome to my another video tutorial. Today I'm here to show you how to clean your data in Excel and remove the unwanted characters without using any formula or without using any function. Let me show you how it can be done so easily. So let's have a look here. So I'm here in my Excel. You can see here here is words also and number also, and you can see here number and words, and here you can see words and characters. So if you want to separate this, then there is one form systems which is very easy. So first of all we will go on insert, and then you can see here get add-ins. Click here, and then we take some times, and then search for here remove. Just click here remove and press enter, and you can see here remove unwanted characters. Just click on add and continue, and it is loading. You can see here. And now just select this, and you can click here by remove numeric characters. Just click here and remove and press yes. Select the range and remove numeric number. Okay, down. Yes, now you can see then we have removed numeric characters and it is removed. And another way, for this column we are going to select this, and we are going to remove text character, and we are going to remove this text character. You can see, you can just click and remove, and yes, and you can see 12 cells has been processed, and you can see the text has been removed. And same like this, you can select this range, and you can click here remove symbols and punctuation marks, and just click remove, and yes, you can see all the symbols and characters are removed. So in this way, without using any formula or any function, you can remove this unwanted characters from Excel. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates. I uploaded here more than 400 videos, so I hope you will subscribe my channel and get more knowledge about this Excel. Thank you.